Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to make 3 column in Word without lines. Go to insert menu, then click shapes, select shapes, type A. Example A, B, C, D. Then increase size, text size increase 36. Go to shape fill, no outline. Then apply this. Okay. Hold Ctrl, then drag it. Again hold Ctrl, then drag it. Then hold Ctrl, select text box, go to align options, middle. Then go to shape outline, no outline. We can see 3 column in Word without lines. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, share. Thank you.